The euro currency continues to move lower, today trading all the way down to 104.60. Lowest we've seen since October of 2023 and just above 104. Now, the euro hasn't been below 104 since November of 2022, so it's been a long time since we've seen the euro this low. Obviously, it all started back in early October when the dollar took off and then actually started to move even faster to the upside after the U.S. election. The euro has moved lower. It's down about 6% since the early part of October. And again, hovering precariously right at that 104 level. It has not traded 104 since going all the way back to November of 2022. But today, seeing it move lower, hitting a low of 104.60. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You'll notice that volatility, as we've seen the euro moving lower to new lows, volatility has been firming. Now, just prior to the U.S. election, we saw volatility at its highest of the year, and it quickly reversed lower, as it did in most asset classes. The euro was no different. Euro volatility moved lower, but as we've seen the euro break out to the downside, we've seen volatility firming up. So it isn't quite back to those year-to-date highs, but it's getting closer and has been every day as the euro has been in decline. Lastly, let's talk about what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. We get the S&P Global PMIs in the morning, as well as the University of Michigan sentiment, with that inflation component that the market will be watching ahead of the weekend. So as we head close to the end of the week, the euro continues to move down, heading very close to that 104 level, a level it hasn't traded since November of 2022, ahead of tomorrow's S&P Global PMIs, as well as the University of Michigan sentiment.